A nice looks of really trendy nails. So the clients can have a full covers with the Condensed Pixie. So apply the condensed glue gels. In this beautiful design, you're not going to do too thin. Give it a good condensed glue gel. However, don't load it really thick. You want it enough, not too much, not too little. And you can see that I spread my bristle out. So then make sure that I blend the condensed glue gels nicely. And no wet top coat. Flaring on the top. Okay. And we are going to add some of these crystals. I'm going to add just a smaller, maybe. Not too much. Like a little. Just randomly here and there. You don't have to be like completely covered with this. Just kind of do it, but kind of enjoy it with this. So it's not like completely covered randomly. There you go. You add more if you want to, okay? And just add few of them. Hold this one on this side. And then open this cap. And then we're gonna make sure you get the tray right on underneath. If you're doing for the client's nails, you are going to hold it like this to catch all the excess Condensed Pixie, so you won't not bouncing it off on the stations, and you're wasting all of the. So ready? So we are going to go closer down. Don't want to go high up like this. It's gonna bounce so well. So you're gonna do it right close to the nails, and you're gonna sprinkle it all in the nails. Just tap it gently and taper it in the sides on the surface, and make sure that it's not have any of the excess on. You want to just make sure that you get them really compact in the nails. Okay, and some of this don't worry because it's gonna come off, because it's not going to stick if it doesn't have the condensed glue gels and no wet top coat in there. Happy with this? We are going to cure this beauty for 60 seconds.